Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to refresh your nails, your acrylic nails with gel polish on them. Sometimes they just get a little like they bump up a little bit when they start growing out and they just don't look as sharp or as flat or like as realistic as you want them to. So it's just kind of like how to refresh them without changing the color or anything, just making them like freshly filed and looking like new. So yeah, first things first, I take a nail file. This nail file is literally from like the dollar store, super cheap, and I just go over my red polish with it just to break it down a little bit, and then I take a buffer and go on top of that. So basically just taking the color down just a little bit so I can make the nail not so bumpy looking, so it's more flat and more realistic looking. Then I take this acetone that I got from Sally's. So it's by Beauty Secrets. It actually doesn't take off the nail polish at all. It just takes all like the little dust pieces that you just created off and makes it more smooth. So yeah. Then I just take the nail file, the same one that I got from like the dollar store, and I just go over the sides to make it more crisp and clean, like how it looks when you leave the nail shop. Then I just took some clear coat nail polish that I got from Sally's again. Everything I got from Sally's except for the nail files, which is from the dollar store. So yeah, this clear coat is actually really good. It keeps it really, really shiny. So I do like this specific top coat. I will leave it down below if you can't see it well enough. But yeah, it just leaves it looking like I just left the shop, but a little bit better than my other ones. Here I'm just trying to like show you the comparison between the two nails. The one in the back is the one I didn't do, and the one in the front is the hand that I did do. So you can just see how it's a little bit more curved, more flat looking. So yeah, now I just took this oil, same thing, got it from Sally's, and I just put it over my cuticle because a lot of times your cuticles can get dry when you have acrylics on because you're just washing your hands and not really, when you put lotion on, you don't focus on the cuticle. So yeah, that's really all it is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.